no. We can sit on each
So
side.
I am on the boat right now, and I'm pretty scared.
No.
I can't really balance this.
Yeah, sit down. Here.
Yeah? Oh, right.
Yes.
Here,
Now we
this
have the
part.
balance in the boat.
Perfect. Alright, so...
So no sound. It's totally
There
quiet.
is sound. Oh, you mean the
From
motor?
the motor. It's
Yes.
really quiet.
That's a perfect view.
Beside that.
Hey, met de guy. Hey. Ja, ik zit op het bootje. Met
Ja. Go max speed?
Rijn je zelf naar binnen. Maar die was ook al mee geweest. Ja, lachen.
Oh, beautiful day.
An electric motor, peaceful and quiet.
Ja.
A nice speed.
Ja.
Yes.
We cannot pass this one.
We can't go in there, can we? Oh, right.
Je hebt een 36
Let's test out the reverse, shall we?
Okay.
Oh, how are you feeling?
Ja.
I'm perfect.
Nice.
Wonderful. And now you need to see we cannot pass this one, okay?
Oh no, we cannot. No, stop. Halt. No, we're gonna hit. No, go back. Oh no. No, we're gonna hit.
No.
We're gonna hit. No, we're gonna hit. We're gonna hit.
You have to...
No.
No, we're gonna hit. We're gonna hit. No, we can't.
No, we cannot. No, we stay here.
Let's go back. Let's go.
It's
No.
No, it's no use.
I don't want to lose my head.
No, just make this.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it.
I don't think so.
Let's do it. Let's do this.
No, it's not.
No, it's possible.
Just say it, go like this.
Let's do it.
No.
Whoa! Oh my God!
Okay.
Ik ben helemaal bang voor
And now we're on the other side. We made it. Now that's the great escape.
Ja, joh.
Crazy guy, right?
Yeah, crazy guy. This guy is crazy. So we're just cruising along the Rye. Lovely weather in Amsterdam. Got some other boats.
But the question is, shall we change to 20 horsepower?
Do you want to change it? You want more power?
More power?
But isn't it dangerous?
I don't think so.
All right.
Ja, iets motor toch?
Let's try that in reverse.
Careful.
Ja, maar volgens mij hoef je niks te programmeren.
And now we're going in reverse.
Ja.
Simple as that. Just twist the throttle the other way. And we're in reverse mode.
That's it. And then forwards again.
And now we're going forwards again.
Actually, it's running very well in the reverse as well. Very good.
Yeah, you can't go fast in reverse, but it's
No,
because
no,
of the
but-
shape of the boat.
Yes.
And here, if we continue this way, we go into Amsterdam, we can go the red light district, we can go everywhere, casino, you name it.
You know this is going on YouTube, right?
Go there and pick up the girls and come back.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow, look at that bird.
Ah, I see it.
It's a
It's
beautiful
hidden.
bird.
It's hiding itself.
It's a big one, you know?
Yeah.
And they're not scared of us, because we don't make any noise.
Yeah.
Hello, bird. Have you seen an easy outboard? Guess not. All right.